Hi friends, welcome to Legal Awareness. Today we are discussing FCRA violation case. Delhi High Court in the case of the Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative versus Union of India upheld the decision of the center to suspend FCRA registration of Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative NGO for alleged violation of the FCRA Act. Let's see the background of the case. In this case, petitioner being Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative, that is the independent non-profit civil society organization headquartered in New Delhi, working to promote access to justice, access to information and timely fulfillment of United Nations Sustainable Development Goals in India and its Commonwealth countries. The petitioner was registered under the Society Registration Act in 1993. It is stated in the petition that several institutions of the central and state government, including Human Rights Commissions, Central and State Information Commission, Law Enforcement Agency, and Legal Aid Authority, recognize the petitioner as a resource partner in the domains of the police and prison reforms and transparency in governance. On 3rd September 1993, the petitioner was granted a FCRA registration. Thereafter, in 2016, the petitioner registration was renewed up to October 31st, 2021 under FCRA Act. On 7th June 2021, the petitioner FCRA registration was suspended for 180 days under Section 13 of the FCRA Act 2010, pending consideration of the cancellation of certificates of registration of the petitioner under Section 14 subsection 1D of the FCRA Act 2010. On 26 June 2021, the petitioner communicated its response to the impugned suspension order, wherein it is stated that there was no violation of the FCRA Act or FCRA regulation by the petitioner as alleged. Accordingly, the petitioner requested urgent revocation of the impugned suspension order by the June 30, 2021. On 1st December 2021, the impugned suspension was extended for another period of 180 days. On 7th December 2021, a so-called notice under Section 14 subsection 2 was served on the petitioner. Accordingly to so-called notice, the respondent had authorized an audit of the petitioner books of account and activities for the first time, while order dated 29th July 2021 passed under Section 20 and 23 of the FCRA Act. The said audit was conducted from 9th August 2021 to 14th August 2021. Upon a scrutiny of the audited records, certain observations were drawn and shared with the petitioner, while later dated 7th October 2021 for the comments. In impugned order, there are the 4 violations. First, details of the activities or project for which foreign contribution has been received and utilized has not been given at the prescribed point number 3A in the form FC4 form in the AR for the financial 2018-19 in audited report. And second violation, the bank account number Bank of India, New Delhi, open on 18th February 2016 has not been intimated online to the ministry, and there is a flow of the foreign contribution in this bank account. Further, one utilization account through which the association has been utilizing a foreign contribution has not been intimated in the audit report for the financial year 2016-17 and 2017-18. Further, violation. In addition, the association has refunded some foreign contribution back to the donor in the 2013-14 and 2014-15 in violation of section 8 subsection 1A of the FCR Act 2010. And fourth violation, it is also observed from the bank statement of utilization account that association is mixing foreign contribution with the domestic donation in the violation of section 17 of the Act. In this case, Delhi High Court upheld that center order confirming a suspension of the registration certificate. In this case suffix to the state, there is nothing in the provision to show that this violation cannot be construed as reason which weighs with the central government to suspend the certificate. Surely, if violation make a strong prima facie case against the certificate holder, if proved, would lead to cancellation of the certificate under section 14 subsection 2. The central government will be justified in suspending the certificate. This is the judgment copy. If you want this judgment copy, click the link. Thank you so much.